I have a real passion around what business are we in, and the business we're in is so complicated, discovering and developing new medicines. And I think that many of you in the audience are in that business or associated with it. And so many other businesses around innovation, what drives them is the quality of the innovation, the creativity of the people. Right? It's not just about manufacturing, the same thing in the same way at a high quality. And if you're going to be in a business where it's the creativity of your people that's going to be the difference between success and failure, then how those people feel about the job they're doing and the company they're with is what allows you to gather the resources, the human resources that are going to allow you to win against the problems that are at hand. And what really draws great people in and keeps them there is the level of, you can call it inspiration, they feel around what they're doing. And when I think about being in bigger and smaller companies, you can replicate, and big companies have the opportunity to do so more. Shiny labs, great new equipment, access to beautiful facilities. So when you go to a smaller company, you say, wow, we can't do as much of that, and we can have some of that equipment and shiny labs, but not as much. So how do you get the people? Well, it's because great people want to work with other great people on a great mission. So if you think about how do you inspire people, it's what are we about? Why are we doing the work we're doing? And then I draw on the patient and what it is that the patient's facing. But people want to work in a place that they feel they have a voice and they feel valued and respected. So creating the culture that allows that to be the case is something that I think is a business priority, because it's the difference between attracting and keeping outstanding minds, outstanding people who enable you to solve the problems of drug discovery and development for diseases that are high unmet need, right? But the mission, the ability to have a voice, and a place where your contribution is recognized and respected, so a culture, are the things that allow you to access that talent. So I think about that a lot.